Hello! Once again, we are here for our tutorial here in Canva, and again, Canva is something that you can use for your WordPress development, and but far more than that, there are also other ways that you can use Canva. You can use it in your presentation, in your social media campaigns, in video making, and some other things. And today we're going to talk about certificates or making certificates. Now, some of you are doing seminars, etc., and after the seminar you'll probably want to issue a certificate for some people or for the people who attended your seminar. So Canva is the one of the easiest ways to make a certificate. Most people use WordPress or LibreOffice or maybe OpenOffice or maybe Pages if you are using Mac. But today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a certificate using Canva. Okay, so all you have to do is to go to create a design and search for certificate, and let's use this one. Now, as you can see, this one is a portrait mode. This one is a landscape mode. Okay, so let's just use the landscape mode. Okay, so here on the left side, you can see a lot of um templates. So all you have to do is to click one, and if you want to basically customize it the way you want it, so it's very easy. All you have to do is just to move the elements around, and it will be changed according to your liking. So you can add elements or you can move elements here or change font, etc., and it's very easy to use. So let's say we want to have a uh, certificate of recognition. Okay, and we want it something like that will be a little bit more formal. So let's say we want to use this one. Okay, so okay, so we are not signed in. Okay, so now we are signed in. All right, so going back, sorry, earlier we are not signed in, so that's why it appeared like that. So now we are signed in. So here you can see a certificate of recognition. It's just a template. You can use another one if you like. All you have to do is to click here and then just choose whatever you like. Okay, so basically you can customize this one, this the wordings here, even uh, to Reese Miller. So uh, you may want to customize this one if depending on the the right the content of what you want to make as a certificate. So uh, I want to use my name here, and of course I would like to change this one. Okay, okay, and then you can change this one as well, and later on you can just put an image of the uh, let's say, or these people can just sign it, or you can just put an image of their signature here. So for this one, let's say we would like to we want to put a logo here. Okay, so earlier my wife made some certificates using Canva, and she used a logo of her school. So let's say we want to just for example. Okay, so let's try to use this one. Okay, all right, and put it somewhere here, but we want to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, and we want to put this one uh, you know want to move this one a bit, okay, or can make that smaller. Okay, so but you can see this logo has a white background, okay, and it blocks the entire design. So if you are seeing that, see it has a white background. So what we want to do here is to make this logo to have a transparent background. So that's what makes Canva the best, one of the best tools that you can ever. But this feature is only available for Pro version and up. Okay, so what you want to do here is to click this one, the image or the logo. You go to edit photo, okay, and click the BG remover. This one is background remover tool, okay. Just click that one, and there you go. So it already has a transparent background. So if you can, if you look at that, it's more formal because it has a logo, okay, and you can even transfer that one here if you like, or somewhere here. So it depends on the design that you are making. You can also change the color of this. Let's say we want it to be green, okay, like the others. So it depends on how you would like to do it, or what kind of design that you want. Now, as you can see, also there's a background there. You can change this background if you want, or you can just use that background if you like. Okay, so that's the overall background of this design. All right, so I think that's it. If you want to change the background, by the way, you go here, then type background. Okay, let's say you want to use this one instead. So I'll go over here and make it big enough to cover everything. Okay, and what I would like to do is to put it, send it to the back, send it to back. Okay, see, so it has now a different background. So if I would like to delete it, I can just delete it. Okay, or if I would like to use this one, the same thing. Let's try to check everything. Okay, what about this one? Okay, let's try to use this one. This is very exciting, okay, because as you can see, it has a very visible color, and we want to put that at the back layer, send it to the back. Okay, now the problem with this color, or with this design, is that it's very colorful, so you may want to change or reduce the transparency of that color. So you see, you go to edit photo and you click transparency. Okay, click transparency and you can adjust it accordingly. All right, so let's reduce it more. Okay, so I think that's good. Yep, that's good. So I think that's it for now. At least you have seen how certificate is easily made using Canva, and this is some of the tools that you can use in Canva only comes from if you have a pro version, so like the background remover tool. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it, and see you on my next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe here so that whenever I update another video, then you will be also notified with it. Okay, bye.